Welcome back to the channel. We've kind of been on a hiatus for a couple weeks. We've been just kind of catching up on builds, taking a nice vacation, enjoying the holidays, enjoying the summer. But we're actually back in a really exciting build. I mean, based on if you see all of our videos on our channel, it's usually a river table, some cool charcuterie boards. We actually had someone approach us. Her company's called Artisan Bites. She designs these beautiful, beautiful charcuterie spreads. She approached us and was asking if we could build her a cart that she could bring to these events. So the first thing we did was I went into Blender and started 3D modeling exactly what she was looking for, and that way we can get the measurements we need and send it off for her to approve. I'm going to take some sheets of maple plywood and throw it on the CNC and cut each piece out. For the bottom and the sides and the little side table, we use the plywood. But for the top, where all the trays are gonna go in, we're gonna actually glue up some maple hardwood. So now the maple is glued up, we're gonna throw that on the CNC and we're gonna cut each of these holes out for all these pans. While I was building this cart for her, she also asked if we could make 75 charcuterie boards for her. And this way she has something to serve to her guests when she's doing these events. So while Rick is sanding 75 charcuterie boards, I'm gonna take the sides and start painting them white. I unfortunately didn't get any footage of me painting.
I forgot!
But I did paint the logo as well, and once those are dry, we're ready to start assembling. So for the back side of the cart, we want to keep it open. This way she has extra storage. And because she's going to be serving cheeses and cold cuts, we wanted to add these removable ice bins. That way all the food stays cold while she's serving. Rick assembled this using more maple hardwood glue ups. And these bins just pop right out. And she can fill these with ice, pop them back in, and she's good to go. All right, so we did a test run. Everything looks great. Everything fits perfectly. So now we're gonna pop the wheels back off and I'm gonna spray a finish on it. In the words of John Malecki,
Let us spray!
So we ran into a little bit of an issue. We used a marine grade finish to really seal this top wood, and when I sprayed it, I also sprayed the white and it kind of yellowed it. Unfortunately, I have the task now of I gotta strip this off and repaint it, reseal it, so it's not so yellow anymore. We were looking at her logo and it does kind of look a little bit rough from the CNC work, and all we did was kind of paint, and so we can kind of see it. So with the big letters in the back, the A and the B, I'm actually going to fill that with epoxy. That way it has a nice smooth finish. Okay, so now that we are stripped and repainted, I got a non-yellowing latex cover. So we're going to brush that on now, and we should be good to go. All right, so she's done and ready to get picked up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.